7 Series 2016 G11 model. Air suspension problems. First, the location of the compressor, which is right there. Let me get some light. There's the compressor next to the left rear wheel. After replacing the compressor, which actually got some water and froze, I was trying to locate the fuses for it and the relay. So just to let you know, relay is sitting here, right there. You might find that the actually fuses are 224, which is this one I believe, and 227 or something like that, which is one of these. But the most important fuse is, okay, hold on. So we take this aside, we unbolt 1, 2, 3 10 mils and obviously all the electronic connectors, and that fuse is located right there, this white one. Unfortunately, this is not replaceable, but as you can imagine, the only thing you need to do is drill the couple of holes, get the one from the shop and bolt it, and that will work just fine. Thanks.